Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add dashboard of the text box in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then show the add dashboard of the text box in Microsoft Excel. Now click for the going to the insert menu option. Now click for the text box option. Then create a text box. This text box is the background color. Now going to the format menu option. Now click for the shape fill option. Then choose color and add dash border from the shape outline option. Now click for the dash option. Now click for the dash option. Again shape outline. Now click for the width option 6 feet. It's okay. Then show the add dash border of the text box in Microsoft Excel. This dash border now from the text from the right. It's okay. Then we show the add dash border of the text box in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.